Hey people, so it's like I'm feeling so happy recording this video because I have this very close friend with me. Her name's Renuka, and she's. I each time I see her, I tell her, it's like she's, it's reverse aging that is happening. I mean, so I mean, she knows these certain home remedies that are good to build immunity, and uh, when someone like her gives me the remedy, I know it's coming from a good source simply since I see her, the magic that it's thing. So Renu, over to you. So if you can tell us something about how to build immunity, that will really help in these corona affected times.
Yeah, sure. Um, Good morning, everyone. My name is Renuka. So I'm going to give you a good, helpful to for this corona. It's very simple. Cough and cold. It's a home remedy, so everyone can use that. So take a 1 glass of milk and put some organic haldi and pepper and dried ginger and some honey.
Okay.
So just so mix it well and have off. So within 1 day, 2 days, you can be clear your throat effects, whatever cold, cough. So
And the ginger should be in a powdered form or just in small pieces?
whatever you are available in your kitchen,
Correct.
ginger dry or wet, whatever.
Okay, so this is a simple home remedy that can completely, because it's in the air right now, right? That little bit of cough or that cold feeling. So this is amazing. So thank you so much, Renu, and
Most welcome.
yeah, and we'll catch you all in our next video. So on so on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.